Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for June 16th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This pair created an inside bar by just a couple tenths of a pip. Did close lower. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 81.44, possibly as low as 80.09. Look for some resistance around 81.05 and look for some support around 80.50. Now looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair moved to the downside, moved much lower but pulled higher, closed up. We are looking for this pair to continue its move to the downside, potentially going as high on a reversal up to 143.49, possibly as low as 1,4000. Look for some resistance around 142.50 and look for some support around 140.65. Now the pound-US dollar pair moved lower, did pull back a significant amount before closing lower, but nonetheless still moving lower. Look for it to potentially go as high as 162.94, possibly as low as 160.12. Look for some resistance around 162.25, and look for some support around 160.75. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed lower. It created an inside bar as well. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 0.8595, possibly as low as 0.8385. Look for some resistance around 0.8553 and look for some support around 0.8393. Okay, now as far as news analysis go, at 9:55 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow, we have the U.S. University of Michigan's confidence report for June. The consensus on that is that confidence has dropped a little bit from 74.3 to 74.0. Now, that could affect the US dollar. Make sure to keep an eye on that. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, we have two inside bars that have been created, one in the US-Japanese yen pair and the other in the US Swiss. I am looking for a breakout of these to the downside. If we get a breakout in the US-Japanese yen pair to the downside, looking to grab about 10 pips, just a quick little scalp going in around the 80.37 mark right here, and then exiting that trade at the 80.26 mark. So very quick, 10 pip trade, just a quick sell. Now, if we go over to the US Swiss on the day time frame, we have an inside bar as well that has been created over this last session. To the downside, we're looking to grab about 50 pips right here. Sell off of the 0.8441 mark, and look for it to push lower about 50 pips down to 0.8390. Now, if it does break to the upside, look for it to potentially go all the way up to this previous session's low, being able to grab about 100 pips, just shy of 100 pips there, looking to go long, looking for a buy at 0.8550, and then looking to exit that at the 0.8647. So that's what I'm looking to do over this next session. I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.